Anyways, it's 12:18 in the afternoon in Dubai. We're getting ready for our photo shoot. I'm about to do my cousin's hair. My mom's in the shower. Well, I'm not saying in the shower. She needs to get in the shower because she takes forever. But we're about to get ready. So let's get started.
We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl insult. I'm a mind that's you the talk, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy and I know them care pose like the Baba Frayo. Don't cry yo.
Dumbo? What's wrong with? Oh. Okay. We're already. We're about to go downstairs now. It's a little early. The driver came early, so we're just gonna leave now. Plus, we don't know how long that drive is, so whatever. She's cute. Look at her. Look at my bubbles. Yeah. Okay. Wait till we take her hair down. It's gonna look even better. Even better. Oh, let me bring my comb for your hair. Hello. Hi.
He said somebody could sit in the front.
Oh, okay. He said one of us could sit in the front, so I guess.
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
Good.
How's everything?
Good.
Yeah, how's Dubai?
Good so far.
It's just, I thought it was hot. It's not hot. I'm cold.
I dey try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you remake it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani get you at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani get you at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye yo. Bye yo. To the love of my life. My ayo. Don't cry yo. I need people and shy 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 yo.
What you got to say?
I said these millennials.
What is that supposed to
Because
be?
every time I'm taking like another picture of the video.
So, but you're the one who be like, oh, we gotta take pictures from memories. Not annoying. So pick what you want to do. Pick what you really want to say. Choose your words wisely. Thank you.
It's the hottest hotel ever. Can't nobody say they can't use the bar. They can't use this shit.
That's crazy because my friend, he said that he went to JW.
We should play something.
Happy birthday from housekeeping. What is this? Oh, what is? Oh, it's a cake. We can share chocolate cake, y'all.
They left it here?
The ring. But it was just a gnat flying in.
I'm gonna eat my cake. This thing heavy. What is this, a rock? What the hell? I'm gonna eat my cake. Like, how you know I like chocolate?
You ain't stuck up this mofo.
Ew.
I mean, y'all have to pay more money to stay this bitch.
I don't like the bottom. It tastes weird. You wanna try it?
It's crunchy. Looks like a waffle. Let me get my fork. I'm ready to have these waters.
Well, I took one, so.
My daughter.
For the most beautiful lady. Yes.
I know you want to do men, right? You want the double flavor?
I mean, it don't matter. We can do the one flavor.
Okay, so one flavor. Get on the screen at home.
No, I'm saying instead of taking it, I mean, it'll be probably cheaper for us to get on that thing than to go on this and go on that bus. Go on one side of town, go on the next side.
Well, we gotta see where the train goes.
Right, I'm gonna ask you.
We was right there last night. That's funny.
Oh wow, I'm dead.
And y'all couldn't walk?
No,
They said it's 30 minutes because it's around.
it's like on a bridge.
If they had like a walkway across here, we could have definitely walked.
That would be smart though. If they just made
They
it a
made a
walkway, so they could just build it over the water.
That's crazy. I'm saying yes. Sorry.
Vlogging?
Yeah.
Yes.
You wanna say hi? Come say hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Please like, subscribe, and share their videos. As they are right now, they are in Cafe Ottawa.
Haha.
First time I'm meeting these beautiful ladies.
Yeah.
Guys, stay tuned. We'll get back to you.
Okay. And we're out. I'll drink tea. She got this nasty dry rosé, and I got a strawberry palm mojito. Thank you.
To go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl out, oh. I'm a mind that's you the dog, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that care boss. Like the Baba Frayo, Frayo. Don't cry, yo. Ani big no and shadow, shadow. Ani big no and shadow, shadow. Ani big no and shadow, 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 shadow. Ani big no and shadow, shadow. Ani big no and shadow, shadow. Ani big no and shadow, shadow.
It's 1:55. Thursday, January 12th. We are going to the desert, to the dunes, to do ATV. So yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go.
The Red Sand Desert. There we give you break. There is sport bike, supermarket, restaurant. After that, around 4 p.m. we start our safari. I mean the dune bashing safari with the jeep. And then we stop in the picture point Mediterranean Desert. There we give you sunboarding and pictures. And then we will go out from the Red Sand Desert, Lebab Desert in Sharjah State, come back to Dubai, Alavir Desert, Yellow Sand. Beside the camp, you enjoy your camel riding, short camel riding just for the experience. Inside the camp, including your package, your starter, your dinner, henna painting, henna tattoos. Small one free. If you want some special, you will pay some money for that. Shisha smoking in the corner free, but there is only one flavor, double apple. If you want service table, your choice flavor, until to then they will give you service, but they charge you 50 dirham, 50 Dubai money. One belly dance, one tannoor Egyptian dance, and one fire show. The camp will be finished approximately 8 p.m. Then we will go from the desert and come back and drop in our hotel. Any question?
Oh, sounds good.
Everything is clear.
Okay. So enjoy the music, enjoy your tour.
Thank you.
On my side, I promise you I'll make your day. Don't forget my prayer.
I did Port when them kill Obama. I did try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you remake it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani cat churu churu.
With the Falcon, don't pay more than 10 dirham. Okay? But don't shopping here then, okay? Because if you want shopping, then you can shopping there in the. If you want here for the protection, no problem. Other shopping stop here. Because the same thing in the camp as well. Okay, you decide. You want single or double? Single bike?
I guess.
1, 2, 3. If you
Yeah.
want to join, you can come to me. You can book from the counter.
Yeah.
Okay? You.
We are in the. You want me to take it? I'll take it. I'll be able to ride and do that at the same time.
No, that's all I want to do.
I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani cat churu churu. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life.
Even though I'm willing away, but whatever. Yeah. Bruh, I'm done.
My ayo, don't cry yo. I need people and shy 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 yo.
Hello.
How else? That's fine.
From Egypt, you buy this one?
No, Amazon.
Wow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl insult, oh. I'm a mind that's you the dog, oh. I put my life into my job. To go wow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl insult, oh. I'm a mind that's you the dog, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble.
cute.
I look like a big fucking whale.
To go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. 'Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the go, I no go feed the boys out, oh. I'm a mind that's you the dog, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that get boss like the Baba Frayo. Ayo, don't cry, yo.
Get a little more shit.
To next day. Like Monday?
Yeah.
4 days. Oh, 5. Yeah. So, but we have one more stop before we go back home.
What have you got?
We live in it.
You said you
So
had
yeah, we live in it. So we've been to Romania. Romania.
Ah.
Do you want to go, guys? Okay. Camel?
Yes. Oh God, I'm a horse kind of girl, not a
Oh, okay.
not a camel. Stop playing. No, thank you. I'm good. I'm okay. I'm good. Thank you. I'm good. Bro. Oh my gosh. Bruh.
Toilet for ladies for men, and close to door have a 2 counter. Right side tea Arabic coffee included in your package. Anytime you can try tea coffee. Left side ice cream. This is not included in your package. If you like to try ice cream, you have to pay money. Okay. And sand air juice also not included.
Okay.
And there is shopping. You can try Arabic dress for picture. Only for picture. On right side there is you have the shisha. If you see there shisha free for you. If you like to smoke shisha in your table, 50 dirhams. Okay.
Okay.
And last, there is bar, soft drinks, Pepsi, water free. If you want pure alcohol, you have to pay money, okay? And there is last also right side Hana tattoo for ladies. The small tattoo free. If you want high tattoo all hands, 2 more.
See y'all later.
Okay, we go for it.
Yeah, you can go.
To take something, no?
I think they had like falafel. It's like a
Okay.
I was scared though with that camel.
terrified.
Is the camera or no?
Yes, terrifying. I think we've been on the
Okay,
one
go over
that's
there for the
Okay, perfect.
starter. Let's
Okay.
have dinner, huh?
Okay.
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 Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the go, I no go feed the guys out, oh. I'm a mind that's you the dog, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that get boss like the Baba Frayo. Ayo, don't cry, yo. I dey try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leg.
If you wanna go to Prime Dubai, come.
Thank you though.
oh, sugar honey ice cream. You gotta be kidding me.
As it fell out.
Yeah.
What's up?
It's just one. Let me count it.
Is that everything?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah.
And I need from you have the application, get your guide.
Yeah. Yes.
Open. The photo.
Ah. Okay. Okay, so there I do
That's why
it.
this is the
I'm
get
gonna put our picture up on the thing, on the app where I booked it.
I will send you one link.
Okay.
Okay, for the TripAdvisor.
Okay.
There you can post it.
Okay.
But this one only for the get tour guide. This is, you can write.
Okay. Okay. I will. Yeah, I just gave it. Thank you so much. Thank
All the
you.
best. Enjoy your life.
Thank
Take
you,
care.
thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
No, listen.
You took a picture with him already, right?
Yeah.
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 Okay.
Made me roll down on Made me roll down his hand.
Okay, you took a picture.
Yeah.